Hi everybody. I know I haven't done any videos lately as far as releasing them on YouTube, but it's not really had time to film anything, and I've kind of been waiting for the lockdown restrictions to ease to go for walks and whatnot, though very soon there will be another video beyond what I'm doing now of the taste tests. But the reason why I'm uploading this today is because next month I am doing a charity run for Cats Protection, Miles for Moggies. Throughout the month of April, I will be running 26 miles total. I'll start the 1st of April and hopefully be finished by the, is it 31st of April, 30th or 31st, whichever last day of April is. When I signed up to do it, I thought, oh, I could easily do this, and then I actually looked into how many miles I do a month. Just through the couch to 5K, I was like, oh yeah, I think I'm gonna have to up how much I run. But I'm gonna do it. I'm committed to it. I do have a fundraising page on GoFundMe. I'll put the link in the description. You can also find it on my link tree on my profile. But if you'd like to support me, I'll put updates on there. At the moment, there's not much because I just created it and there's been a few donations, but I'm trying to raise at least 200 pounds. Anyone can donate though. GoFundMe is like, if you're in the States and you're not sure about if you can donate, you can, or anywhere else for that matter. I think it just does the conversion for you. But yeah, so if you could please support me on my Miles for Moggies next month, I would really appreciate it. Thank you. 7. Fix my hat so I can see my eyes. I don't know why it's down so hard. But I did it. Still on week 6. Catch the 5K. But it's fine. I definitely slowed on my chin for my pencil. That definitely seems to be helping. In a few weeks, no matter where I am, catch the 5K. I will be doing the Miles for Moggies. So, if you can donate or support me in any way, I'd highly appreciate it. It's a big deal for me. I am for 25 minutes. Oh my god. I really have captured it. I knew for sure I was having a mental block with the whole idea of running on this. I knew if I didn't do it, it would take me longer. And I really want to be, excuse me, at my best for Miles for Moggies. Oh, I did it. Oh, thank God. Throughout the month of April, I will be running, you jerk!